So welcome back to Will It Slip. This week we're testing out office items. So we have a business card holder, we have a tape roller, we have a calculator, we have Ian here with the gloves helping us. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet the towels. Alright, take it away.
So first of all, we will try out for the business card holder first on a matte surface.
Oh.
You just slip down, slipstop surface. You just stay. Tape roller, you specifically try on a matte surface. It just fall. Now on a slipstop surface, you just stay. A calculator on a matte surface first. It just fall. Slipstop surface. Yeah, it's there.
So leave your IDs below as comments.
And we will see you in the next
Will It Slip.